Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using JoyTelecom's eSIM service. JoyTelecom offers a compelling eSIM solution designed to simplify international travel for frequent flyers, business professionals, and digital nomads. Their service caters to those seeking reliable connectivity across multiple countries without the inconvenience of juggling physical SIM cards. Getting started with JoyTelecom is incredibly straightforward. After purchasing your chosen data plan, you receive a QR code. Simply scan this code with your eSIM-compatible device, and within minutes, you're connected. No paperwork, no physical SIM swaps, no hassle. One of JoyTelecom's key strengths is its flexible approach to data packages. They offer a wide range of options, from smaller plans ideal for short trips to larger bundles perfect for extended stays abroad. Whether you're a light data user or a heavy streamer, JoyTelecom likely has a plan that meets your needs. In my experience, network coverage was consistently strong in major urban areas and popular tourist destinations, providing stable, high-speed connections. Streaming video, browsing the web, and using GPS navigation all worked flawlessly with minimal interruption. While signal strength could be less predictable in more rural or sparsely populated areas, it generally held up well throughout my travels. JoyTelecom's transparent pricing model is a significant advantage. What you see is what you get, no hidden fees or unexpected charges. This straightforward pricing structure is invaluable for travelers looking to manage their expenses without any unpleasant surprises. Furthermore, their online platform makes it easy to monitor data usage, top up your plan, or extend your coverage as needed, all manageable with a few simple clicks. JoyTelecom also offers a variety of global and regional data plans, accommodating travelers exploring specific continents or traversing multiple regions. They've clearly considered the diverse needs of international travelers. In conclusion, JoyTelecom's eSIM provides a practical and reliable connectivity solution for travelers seeking a hassle-free way to stay connected abroad. It's perfect for those who prioritize quick setup, consistent performance, and transparent pricing. If you're in the market for a travel-friendly eSIM that simplifies your travel experience, JoyTelecom is definitely worth considering.